So for this video, we are going to need 2 sizes of beads. I have this marble beads and I have this crystals bead, which is size 6. You guys look at how that does. Anyway, yeah, and so I'm going to show you 2 different ways to use this. We'll be using this tiger tail. You remember this tiger tail? Yeah, we're going to be using this tiger tail and we will use this wire. You can also use your fishing line, your normal fishing line. You can use a 0.50. So that being said, let's go on. I usually use the wire to make this, but I'm going to show you both ways so that anybody can like make it. So yeah, let's go on. So you want to cut your tiger tail or your fishing line. Cut your desired length. We are going to cut it anyway. First thing you want to put is your big bead. Yeah, so we're going to put 10 crystal bead. So like I'm working with my left hand. So 3. So when you've done that, the other side you want to put another 10. 1, 10. So let's come again. You want to put your bead big first, or you can put it whichever way you want to. I have 10 crystal bead, I have 1 marble bead, and then I have another 10 crystal bead. One thing you want to note is you want the marble bead that you're using to have the big hole, unless this one will be like an issue for you when you want to cross it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your fishing line in your right hand, you will cross it to the left one and then draw it out. For the second one, you do the same thing. So we draw it out. As you can see, we have like our upper ball. So you want to put your tiger tail or your fishing line down, and then you want to pass another one. You pass it as long as you can increase the bead as you like. Do you get? You can increase the beads as you like to make it bigger. But since we're using this one for earrings, we want it to be small so that it doesn't drag the ear down. So I want to put another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. So when you've done that, as simple as that, you want to take your stopper and your plier. So you put your stopper in the tiger tail or fishing line. You want to press it with your plier, with your flat plier, so that you can secure the ends. You get me? I just like putting my fishing line or this thing back so that you can secure it. So yeah, we have that. So the second one, you pass it again. As you can see, we have our bow. So yeah, I don't know why I'm using the scissors. I'm just pointing the scissors. Cut it to make it secure. We have a bow. So now you can see as like this one is flexible. You can use it for chain. You just connect your wire or fishing line, you put it here, and then you put beads for your necklace, this will be in the middle. You get me? As simple as this. See it? Then you pass your beads, then use this one as a pendant. As simple as that. So now let's do it with the wire, which will make it very strong and all. So this is a 0.50 wire. This is a 0.50 wire. You cut your desired length. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pass, excuse me, first thing you want to do is you want to pass your crystal bead, just like we did the other one. You want to pass your crystal bead. I'm going to use 10 to pass the 10. You want to put your big bead. Always make sure that your bead has the big holes so that you don't have any issue when you want to cross. You understand? Your big bead, and then you add your small beads again. So like so. So you want to put your left fishing line, cross it to your right, like so. The reason why I like using wire is it's very easy to control. You can put it in any shape you want it to be. So when you've done that like so, you want to thread the down parts. Same beads, 1, 2. So when you've done that like so, we are going to use our round nose to roll up the mouth. You get me? I'm going to use it to roll up the mouth just like this. So when you are using the wire, you don't need... Why does this thing keep breaking? What's going on? You don't need your fishing line. You don't need your stopper when you are using this. I've reduced it though. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you put 8 in the other one too. So just like so. You want to cut it and then roll it up with your round plier. Yeah, we have our bow. As simple as that. As simple as that. Okay, let's change this to earring. Let's change this to earring. So to change it to earring, this is just your jump ring and then your hanger earring hook. So what you want to do is open your jump ring, put your earring hook, then you want to put it in the wherever place you want to add it. I usually add it to the top of the bow, and then ta-da! Yeah, yes. It's as simple as that. Yeah, so I hope you try this one. When you try it, let me know, tag me, let me know when you try it. It's a very, very simple project. So yeah, let me know when you try it. Tag me when you try it. So I have a lot that I've done. This is like a bigger size, as you can see. This is a very big size, which is very big, and it's like dragging the hair down, so I don't use it. So I don't use this one. This is the first sample I made. No, this is not the first sample I made. Let me show you the first sample I made. So this was the first sample I made. You guys, take a look at this. Look at how bad it looks. So yeah, try that stuff. Do it well. And then the issue I had with this is because the marble bead in the middle was not big enough, so and also the wire was big, so the wire could not enter this. I had to like wrap it through. But like, look at how tough this is. Now imagine this. Practice, yeah, practice. That's all I will say. Practice, you will keep getting it. And then don't forget to like learn from others. It helps you. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I look so, can you see me? Don't worry, you see me next week. Yeah, all right guys, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.